Entrant, Technicrete. Project name, Woodwind Estate. Owner, Occupier, Raudev. Main contractor, Raubex Building. Precast manufacturer, Technicrete. Technicrete was selected to supply pavers and kerbs for the first 10 phases of 13-phase, high-quality, and stylish Woodwind Estates housing development, taking place in Centurion, near Tshwane. The estate, when completed, will occupy 14,500 square meters, comprising 700 single and double-storey freestanding and apartment units. Werner Blumhoff, quantity surveyor with Raubex Building, said at each stage of the development of Woodwind Estate, a new tender is issued. Technicrete has been awarded the tender to supply pavers and kerbs for each of the newly completed 10 phases. This has been based on the quality of their products and cost effectiveness. We have received good service and reliable delivery scheduling from Technicrete. Their kerbs and pavers offer estates such as Woodwind an aesthetically pleasing finish and a longevity that is needed in an estate where there will be a large amount of traffic and foot flow through, said Blumhoff. Over the first 10 phases, Technicrete has supplied over 60,000 square meters of bond brick and DZZ interlockers and 6,000 meters of figure 8B kerbs. The figure 8B are mountable kerbs of 300 by 175 by 7 mm, suitable for medium loading, and have a sloped profile in order not to damage vehicles that may need to move onto the pavement or grassed area, said Luan van der Berg, sales consultant for Technicrete. The bond brick is a cost-effective traditional paver that offers long durability. Bond brick is well suited for estates such as Windwood, and was designed with applications such as parking areas and pathways in mind. Sizes include 50 by 200 by 100 mm, 55 by 200 by 100 mm and 60 by 200 by 100 mm. The DZZ interlocking paver from Technicrete forms a continuous interlocking and hard-wearing surface overlay, which offers an extremely elegant finish. Sizes include 50 by 220 by 97 mm, 60 by 220 by 97 mm or 80 by 220 by 97 mm.